Brendan B. McCarthy, born August 6, 1945, August 26, 1997, was an American football running back in the National Football League and American Football League. He was drafted by the Green Bay Packers in the fourth round of the 1968 Common Draft. In August of that year, he was traded to the Detroit Lions for undisclosed future draft pick. McCarthy then moved on to the Atlanta Falcons, where he played in 7 games before being released by coach Norm Van Brocklin. McCarthy played 9 games over 2 seasons with the Denver Broncos before eventually moving on to real estate. McCarthy died on August 26, 1997 after a heart attack at his vacation home on Deep Creek Lake. Statistics. References. See also: List of American Football League players.